Hey guys, welcome to another video and thanks for clicking on this one. So in this one, let's talk about how this portfolio performed this week. It was a rough week, I would say, when it comes to the market, and we didn't really see a lot of gains. So if I go, let's say 1 week, you can see that the portfolio is actually down about $353, but that is not something to be worried about. At least for me, I'm not concerned about this performance. I believe this is part of the process. There will be weeks when it's going to be down, and there will be other weeks when it's going to be up. The joy of investing is to realize that there will be times like this, so that when it goes up, you can celebrate those times as well. So this week we started off with this old Greenland situation, and as you know, the market took a dump, and that's why you see this sharp decline on that January 20th, and it seemed like we were going to recover that same day, but then it dumped even more that day, and we didn't really recover. And as you know, this week was a short week. The market was closed on Monday, and we only had 4 days of trading to do. So, all of that, in my opinion, the week turned out to be fairly okay. We made a quick recovery after there was a framework or deal, in a way, that the president announced with the European countries and all. So that is some things to celebrate, because as we see, we're slowly going back to where we were before we saw the drop. And the hope is that the coming week will be better, and we can maybe recapture some of the losses that we have experienced this week and move on to next week. So some of the stocks that I'm looking at for the coming week are, the common ones. Of course, my dollar cost averaging approach is still what I'm doing. There will be times like this week that I bought some other stocks. I bought a few stocks that I added to some of the ETFs that I hold, you know, and SPY is an example. Um, there's the other ones like the SCHD, I'm sorry, SCHD and SCHG. Those ones were some of the stocks I added to, and of course I bought some of the things like Palantir. I bought some of the other ones like the I can't remember the last one that I bought now, but anyway, I bought some of the shares while they were down, and they're slowly coming back, and I hope that even next week will be better. I had an option on Bank of America. This is somewhat of a long one, I mean about a year, so I'm hoping that before the next 4 for 5 months, hopefully I can get some things out of some returns on that. But that is really what I'm going to report in this video. If you think you're going to stick around, please don't forget to subscribe, and I appreciate your like on this video. I'll see you in a future one. Take care.